Hi everyone, welcome back to Basic to Finance. In today's tutorial episode, I'm gonna show you how to log into MetaMask on your desktop. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to log into your MetaMask account using your desktop, first open up a web browser. In the URL box at the top, type in metamask.io and press enter on a keyboard. Click the download link located at the top right hand corner and download MetaMask application for your web browser. Select your device and click on install button. Click the get button right next to MetaMask app and add an extension for your web browser by clicking add extension. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see your download at the top right. Once you've successfully added MetaMask on your web browser, you'll be taken to a new tab and you'll need to click on get started in order to log into your account. Start off by creating a new wallet if you've not signed up for MetaMask by clicking on create a wallet button on the right hand side. If you already have an account, you can import your wallet by clicking on import wallet, click on I agree, and now enter your secret recovery phrases that you backed up while creating a new account for your MetaMask. Go ahead and type in your 12-word recovery phrases in the text boxes and make sure to type them in the correct order. Once you type in your secret phrases into the correct order, go to the next field and create a new password for your wallet. Remember that the password that you created will be used only for this particular device you are trying to log in with. After creating a password, confirm the password by retyping it again on the next field. After you are done, click on this little box that says I have read and agreed to the terms of use. Finally, click the import button and you'll be logged in to your MetaMask account using your desktop. Click on all done and that is the first homepage of MetaMask wallet. Pretty easy, isn't it? That is how you can easily log into your MetaMask wallet on your desktop. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.